Good evening, friends. Today we are going to explore the fasciae in the anterior abdominal wall. So we are just exploring only the anterior aspect. So superficial fasciae, which we are going to explore now. So, and first and foremost is the skin. After removal of the skin, the first layer which we can identify is the CAMPER'S fascia. This CAMPER'S fascia is lined by the fat. This fatty layer, which is covering entire the anterior abdominal wall, then this CAMPER'S fascia, which is extending down and is crossing the line of fusion at the inguinal region, and the same CAMPER'S fascia, which is extending as superficial fatty layer in the thigh. And what's going to happen towards medially is it is extending downwards and medially, and it is extending as the dartos fascia surrounding the scrotum. Okay, so the campus fascia is extending as dartos fascia in the scrotum. Then after that, in the woman, what's going to happen is the superficial fatty layer, which is extending down, and it is forming the fatty layer just inside the labia majora, and it is forming the subcutaneous fat. Then what about inside layer? So beneath the campus fascia, we can identify there's a membranous layer. This membranous layer, which is called as SCARPA'S fascia, that SCARPA'S fascia, which is covering entire the abdominal wall, it is present just below the superficial fatty layer. Okay, and then this membranous layer, which is extending downwards and laterally, and then it is extending as the fascia lata in the case of thigh. And this carpus fascia, which is extending downwards and medially, and it is going to divide or bifurcate in the males, it is forming the fundiform ligament of penis. Fundiform ligament of penis. Now here you can identify that. And the medial it is going to join with the linea alba, which is extending from the sternum to the pubic symphysis. And here you can identify how the membranous layer, which is forming the fundiform ligament of penis, which is bifurcating and attaching to the, and it is extending as the deep fascia of the penis. Then after that, after covering that penis and the same fascia, the membranous layer, which is extending posteriorly as the collis fascia. This membranous layer, Scarpa's fascia, which is extending posteriorly, and it is going to join with the perineal membrane that we are going to discuss in the perineum. So that is about the two layers of anterior abdominal wall, two fasciae of anterior abdominal wall. Thanks for watching, dear friends. See you soon with a new class.